Welcome back my YouTube channel Worth Old Coin Value. In today's video, we're taking a close look at a coin that might be lying unnoticed in your drawer or collection. This coin, South African 5-cent coin from the year 2002. Although it might seem like a small and ordinary piece of metal, this coin has gained remarkable attention in the numismatic community and among collectors worldwide. The 5-cent coin has long been part of South Africa's rich coinage history. Introduced in the decimal coin series after 1961, the 5-cent coin played a vital role in the country's everyday transactions for decades. However, the 2002 edition has come to light for more than just its monetary value. It holds historical, aesthetic, and collector appeal. The coin is struck in copper-plated steel and is relatively small, measuring 18 millimeters in diameter and weighing just under 3 grams. On the reverse side, it features the iconic Strelitzia flower, a striking design by engraver and artist Gert van der Merwe. This design celebrates the beauty of South Africa's flora, which has always been a core theme in the country's currency. Turning the coin over, the obverse side shows the South African coat of arms. 2002 was one of the first years when the new national coat of arms appeared on coins. It symbolizes unity, progress, and the rebirth of the nation. The detail and balance of design on this small coin are part of what makes it so attractive to collectors. What sets the 2002 5-cent coin apart from other years isn't just the design, it's the mintage and a few rare varieties. While millions were minted, certain coins from this year have errors or unusual metal qualities that were the result of striking anomalies at the South African Mint. These rare variants are now some of the most highly sought after by serious collectors. Some of these coins show off center strikes, double die errors, or unusual tonal variations caused by chemical reactions over time. In mint condition, with minimal wear and all details sharply defined, these rare versions fetch premium prices in auctions and among private collectors. But how high can the value go? In recent years, collectors and investors have paid astonishing amounts for rare and pristine examples of the 2002 South African 5-cent coin. One reported sale, though not officially verified in public auction records, claimed a private transaction where a unique error coin from this batch was sold for an incredible $2 million. This valuation hinges on the coin's rarity, condition, and the growing interest in rare African coinage. While not every 2002 5-cent coin is worth millions, those in uncirculated or near-mint condition can easily command anywhere between $100 to $1,000 depending on the buyer and the coin's quality. If it features a known error or variety, the value rises substantially. Always have such coins authenticated and graded by reputable services before any sale. Collectors around the world are now paying closer attention to coins from Africa, with South Africa at the forefront due to its unique designs and relatively limited international exposure. This makes coins like the 5-cent 2002 edition especially desirable for those looking to build a collection with long-term investment potential. For coin enthusiasts, this is a reminder to check your change, old boxes, or coin jars. You never know what treasures you might find, and one of those tiny copper coins could be far more valuable than you ever imagined. It's not just about the metal, it's about the story, rarity, and historical moment captured in each piece. If you're wondering how to determine if your coin is valuable, start with a close inspection. Look for visible signs of wear, any design flaws, or mint errors. Use a magnifying glass or take it to a numismatist for a professional opinion. Even common coins can become valuable with the right features. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the story of the 2002 South African 5-cent coin history. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Worth Old Coin Value for more insights into rare coins and their surprising worth. We bring hidden treasures to light, one coin at a time.